Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to Bitcoin update. Today is Wednesday, and Bitcoin still is trading at $16,816. Let me tell you one thing. I'm just out of the market. I'm not touching the market. I'm not touching any coin. I'm not interested to trade anything because there's a lot of bearish pressure, to be honest. And in a way, it's actually good because you get opportunities ahead, but at the moment today, current situation is not a good idea. So I'm 100% of the out of the markets. I'm not trading. I'm not trying to touch anything. I'm not trying to do anything stupid. Let the market do whatever it wants to do, because you don't control the market. And I always say this, that whenever you are investing, let the market be the man. It's like you're dancing in a dance floor. You're the lady. Let the market be the man and lead you. Okay. Because you have to know when you're going to get dumped down. Anyways, Bitcoin here. The reason number one is the biggest reason of them all. A lot of people have stop losses at 17,715. Isn't it just pretty clear that this was never a good idea to take out the lowest part of it, because this is where you put your stop loss? And imagine trying to trade near that zone here. Who trades near that zone of that last stop loss? It means that when you take this out, you're looking for more targets to the downside. Okay, if you're taking the lowest side of it, you want to create more lower to the downside, unless you don't try to come up and break the highs to continue higher. Yes, maybe if you do something like that here, then that's where we can actually say that, oh, okay, Bitcoin is now interested to go up, right? But Bitcoin isn't interested to do anything like that. We still are looking for Bitcoin's $8,500 nearly, and we're still looking for at least $14,000. And I just want to, go back to the fib retracement, reversal wave target. So the bottom 17,000 to the recent top, which was 25,000 that we had there in that very long consolidation, takes you to this 1.618 being 14,138. So that's what I'm looking forward to. And you've been bouncing off the 1.272, which is not a very strong place to bounce off. So normally you don't get big supports at 1.272. That's how it is. And you can clearly see that all you did is you lost the low there, and you bounced off to retest that low and made a bearish retest. And I made a video about this one previously as well. You came down, you made 3 black rows, and which is a continuation pattern. I'm still out of the market, man. I'm not buying into this crap. I'm not buying into that crap. Unfortunately, people are gonna get fooled with what Bitcoin is doing here. Now, there could be a conversation of saying that we could have a extended pennant like this. It actually looks like almost an extended pennant, isn't this? Perfect. We're making an extended pennant, by the way, and I told you about this scenario. So all you're doing is making a perfect pennant, and you went up and you coil up. Like, this is a very simple pennant strategy, and I think if someone want to trade it, you can actually end up trading it with a stop loss up at 18,197. You can get an amazing trade opportunity here, because if you look at it that way, this actually pops from there to there. And not only are you looking for 14,000, but if you actually pop out of the pennant, then you're looking for that straight dive to 12,000 without any questions asked, because that's your technical target out of the pennant. So let me show you on Google how we can actually look at that. So bear yeah, so we have the bear pennant right there, and this is the Bitcoin for the Bitcoin, right? So here we are, boom, bear pennant. Yeah, something like this. This is the perfect illustration of what I'm trying to say. 1, 2, 3, break out of the pennant, go down. You do have an amazing trading opportunity with the pennant right over there. So breakdown, retest, entries, stop losses, risk reward management, money management. Want to learn more about all of those patterns and whatnot, Atom Coins is the place to be. So this is your course, the 18 hours trading course. Take this, learn it. save your money in the bear market, earn in the bull runs. You're going to learn everything. I'm going to teach you everything, I promise you, that I know. And that's pretty much it for this Bitcoin update on Bitcoin. What am I saying? And I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.